In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a quick troubleshoot for a pretty common problem on the project. If you look at the map of student observations, you notice that these different observation points are color-coded, and they are color-coded based on what type of observation they are. So for example, plants come in as green, okay, and then different colors, red seems to represent insects, um, blue represents vertebrates, etc. Hey, but what you have, sometimes you have these question marks and these black dots. Red rose should be a green plant, right? But we have this question mark. If we click on this thing, it says pink and yellow flowers. Okay, and it's still showing up as a question mark. Now, the only way to really fix this is if you, for the student to go into their own account. There's actually a student who helped me figure out how to make this fix. It's fairly simple. So on the project page, for example, if you add an observation, okay, let's see, I will just add one here at Wilshire, Vermont, okay, and I'll say purple flower, okay, and I'm just gonna skip all of those and just put save observation. Now, notice this couldn't be added to this particular project because I have a rule that they must have a photo, but you notice here that it comes up as that question mark. So how do you make this fix? If you go to edit, okay, the problem is just calling it purple flower. Okay, now I don't know if it's any of these because of course we're making up the flower, but let's keep it nice and general, which is what I ask my students to do. As flower, let's say at least that it's flowering plants. Okay. Now, keep in mind, on a real observation the students had added, I'd require them to add a photo over here. Okay, but if we save it there, again, after clicking on flowering plants, if we save the observation now, it shows up as green, right, and color-coded for plants, right, and it's a group of flowering plants. So that's how you get rid of those pesky question marks and black points so that you can, someone who's looking at this can get a better sense of what types of organisms that they're looking at on your project map.